Theseus and the Minotaur. In the kingdom of Athens, King Aegeus is troubled. Each year, the city must send a group of youths to Crete as tribute to King Minos, to be sacrificed to the terrifying Minotaur. Every year, they never return. A messenger arrives with grave news. The beast is growing stronger, and another group must be sent. Aegeus is filled with despair, but his son Theseus steps forward. He offers to go to Crete and defeat the Minotaur, determined to end the terror once and for all. Though Aegeus protests, not wanting to lose his only son, Theseus insists, swearing to return victorious. The king hands him a sword and sandals, crafted by the gods, and a heavy heart. Theseus sets sail for Crete with a small crew, filled with resolve. Upon arriving, he enters the labyrinth where the Minotaur dwells. The maze is dark and oppressive, but Theseus is not alone. Ariadne, the daughter of King Minos, approaches him. She reveals that she does not support her father's cruel demands and offers him a ball of golden thread to help him navigate the labyrinth. With the promise of returning for her after the beast is slain, Theseus thanks Ariadne and ventures into the maze. Inside, the Minotaur roars and charges, but Theseus is swift and skilled. After a fierce battle, he drives his sword into the heart of the beast. The Minotaur collapses, defeated. Following the golden thread back, Theseus emerges victorious. He boards the ship to return to Athens, with Ariadne by his side. They sail home, and Theseus is eager to share his triumph. But as they approach Athens, Theseus sees that the sails of the ship are black instead of white. King Aegeus, awaiting his son's safe return, mistakes the black sails for a sign of Theseus's death. Distraught, Aegeus falls from the palace balcony, plunging into the sea. Theseus, heartbroken by his father's death, returns to the throne, now the king of Athens. He reflects on the weight of victory, realizing that the greatest challenge is not slaying monsters, but bearing the cost of love and loss. As the new king, he vows to rule with wisdom, knowing that every triumph carries its own sacrifice. The end. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Be there when the next journey begins.